Hi, it's Heather Carl Shook with the Shook Home Group, and I'm here to show you this incredible Gig Harbor view home. This rarely available Rambler is open and spacious. The great room offers custom built-in cabinetry, fireplace, shiplap, and dual sliding doors to a dreamy outdoor patio space. This dreamy farmhouse kitchen has view wood-wrapped windows, granite, stainless steel appliances in both formal and casual dining spaces. And wait till you see the walk-in pantry. The master suite has water views framed with flowering trees and green space. You'll notice all the bedrooms are spacious and almost oversized. The location of this incredible home is close to downtown historic area as well as views, shopping, and freeway access. Thank you so much for touring this amazing Rambler with a view with me today. As you can see, this backyard has space for everything. There's mini golf, badminton, a fire pit, room for pets, and more. Woo! Hey, it's not time to go yet. We're almost done. You can see more at shooksells.com.